Today we are starting with chapter number 2, quadratic equation. First question, classify the following polynomial as linear, quadratic and cubical. What do you mean by linear equation? When highest power of variable is 1, the equation is said to be linear equation or linear polynomial. Quadratic, when highest power of variable is 2, it is said to be quadratic polynomial, and when the highest power of variable is 3, it is said to be cubical polynomial. So highest power is 1, then it is linear. When highest power is 2, then it is quadratic, and highest power is 3, it is said to be cubical. And what is highest power? Highest power is also known as degree. So let's start with the example. These are just activity, just to understand what type of equation is this. So first, here the numbers are given, here polynomial, here power we will write which is the highest power, and according to power we will think about the type. If the highest power is 1, then it is linear. If highest power is 2, then it is quadratic. If highest power is 3, then it is cubical. So first, what do you mean by power? Power of variable. So first of all, variable means all the alphabets, A to Z, A, B, C, D. Sometimes the numbers are missing or they are in the hidden form, suspense form. We have to find the value of that variable number. Like example, x. What is value of x? Value of x will be different from sum to sum, right? It all depend on the equation. Same here, the variable is x. And what is the power of x? When there is nothing, it means power is 1. So I will write power here, power. What is power of this x? 1. You don't have to look at the 5, just you look at the power of x, 1. And what is the power of there? Is there any x? No. If x is absent, means power is 1. That power is 0, 0. Sorry, the power is 0. So when x raised to nothing, then power is 1. When x is absent or x is not there, x doesn't exist, then the power is 0. Therefore, what is the highest, 0 or 1? Definitely 1. So highest power, that is degree, is 1. So what type of equation is this? This is linear polynomial. So I'll write linear polynomial. The next one. Now power. What is power of variable? Is 2. Power of variable x raised to nothing, so 1. And there is no x. X is absent, so power is 0. Now what is the highest power? 0, 1 and 2? Definitely 2. So what type of equation is this? It is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. It is not equation, actually it is a polynomial, because in equation equal to 0, equal to some numbers will come. Here equal to sign is not there. So these are pure polynomial. These are not equation. What these are? Polynomial. Now the next is 3x cube minus 7 plus x square. Can you guess what is the power of variable? Power of variable is 3. Luckily the coefficient is also 3, but don't get confused. Power is always the upper part of the variable here. Here power, there is no variable, so power will be 0. And there is variable is 2, so 2. And but what is the highest power? Highest power is 0, 2 or 3? Definitely it's 3. So which type of equation is this? It is a cubical equation. Cubical equation. I'm sorry, it is not equation, it is a polynomial. Okay, so it is polynomial. Which type of polynomial? Cubical polynomial. Don't forget that equation as polynomial has different. Equation means has equal to something. Okay, and polynomial, the equation is absent, equation is not there, equal to sign is not there. The next polynomial is 5x minus 3x square. Power. What is the power here of x? Power is 1. Right, we are writing powers. So power is 1 and power is 2. Every time you write a power. Power. Okay, so power is 1 and power is 2. So highest power is 2. So it is also a quadratic polynomial. Which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Okay, the next one. What is the power? First I'll write power. And what is the power? 2. As power is 2. Only one power. So definitely it is a quadratic polynomial, not equation. The next one. X square is the denomination. In denominator we have x square. So now what we will do, there is no equal to, so we cannot take out the cross multiplication LCM. So now first 3x square, this x square will come up, you know, you might have learned in standard 8, x raised to minus 2. The power from denominator, when it comes up into the numerator, it turns into negative, minus x raised to 1. So what are the powers? Power is minus 2 and power is 1. You know, power cannot be negative, or power should not be negative. When power is negative, right, any power is negative, whether it is a bigger or smaller, that doesn't matter. If any power is negative, it means that is not a polynomial, not a polynomial. Okay, the next one, write the polynomial in index form and value of ABC. Index form, you might be wondering what is index form. Index form is very easy, just writing the given polynomial in decreasing order. Are you getting it? Decreasing order of variable. Here 3x minus 5 plus x square, which is the highest power of variable x square, and then 3x, and the last will be minus 5. So you have to write in decreasing order, that is called index form, the decreasing order. So x square plus 3x minus 5. Hope you understood. This is called index form. Now you have to compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. Now x square's coefficient is called a. What is the coefficient of x square? Nothing. So 1 x square. So a value will be 1. So value of a equal to 1, comma. What is the value of, what is b? B is the coefficient of x, and what is b here? B is plus 3. So b equal to 3. And what is c? The remaining number, or it is also known as a constant number. So c will be the constant number, and constant number without variable, which is minus 5. Okay, so a equal to 1, b equal to 3, and c equal to minus 5. The next one, 3x square minus 5x, and number is missing. So when number is missing, you have to put 0 there. So now 3x square is the highest power. So 3x square minus 5x plus number is missing, so 0. Okay, so now it has been converted into ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. What is value of a? 3. What is value of b here? 5. No, it's not 5. B is minus 5. Which sign you have to write? B is minus 5. And what is the value of C? C is 0. Yeah, because C doesn't exist, right? There is no constant number. The next one, the 5x square. 5x square. Can you see any x? No. Then we have to write 0x. Can you see any other number? No. Then you have to write 0 again. Now compare with ax square plus bx plus c. What is coefficient of x square is a. Coefficient of x square is 5. So a equal to 5. Coefficient of x is b. Here coefficient of x is 0. So b equal to 0. Coefficient, that constant number is c. Here constant number is 0. So c equal to 0. Isn't it easy? The next one, 3 minus 4x. So first we have to arrange them in index form. Index form means decreasing power of variable. The highest should be x square, but x square is not there. See here, highest is square. So x square is not there, so we have to write 0x square. Then x should come. The x is minus 4x. And then plus 3. The remaining number is plus 3. So now it's so easy. Can you guess A, B, and C? A would be 0. B would be minus 4, and C is 3. Next, the last one, only we have number. There are no variables. When variables are not there, then the coefficient will be 0 only. So 0x square plus 0x minus 5. Hope you are getting it. So what will be value of A? 0. What will be value of B? 0. And what will be value of C? Minus 5. Now you will ask, do you think this type of question will be asked in board exam? Answer yes. This type of questions are asked for 1 mark sum. So hope you know this type of question as well. So we will continue with some number 3 now. This is just activity basics. Okay, we have not started yet exercise. Next, Activity 3. Decide which of the following is quadratic equation. Now what do you mean by quadratic equation? We have done in the previous activity. We have done quadratic polynomial, not equation. Polynomial and equation are one and the same. Only the difference is that equation has equal to some numbers. Polynomial doesn't have sign of equal to. So see here you can see equal to 0, equal to 0, equal to 0, equal to 0, equal to 0. Are you getting equal to 1 upon x, equal to 2, not 0 every time. So these are equation, and definitely the LHS is polynomial. So whether we have to see that we have to see whether the quadratic equations are or not, these equations. So for that we need to check out the powers. So first of all we have to write them in decreasing order of the variable. Y square, and y is not there, so it's okay, and 5 is the constant number should be at always last. Now equal to 0. Now we'll write power. Now what is the power of variable? 2. What is power of variable? 1 power. As what is the highest power of variable is 2. As highest power of variable is 2. Therefore 9y square plus 5 equal to 0 is a quadratic polynomial or equation? Equation, because it has equal to. Equation. Okay, let's move to the next one. Second one, m cube minus 5m square plus 4 equal to 0. Now what we have to write first? First we have to write in decreasing order of their power of variable. Decreasing power is 3, 2, 1 is not there, and 0. So properly it is arranged in decreasing order itself. So first we have to write power, then start writing power. Power of m cube is 3, power of m square is 2, and power is 0. Right? As highest power of variable is 3. Highest power is 3. So which type of equation is this? Cubical equation. But do we need cubical equation? No, we need a quadratic equation. Therefore m cube minus 5m square plus 4 equal to 0 is not a quadratic equation. But you should know which type of equation is this? Cubical equation. The next one. Now this is are in multiple form. Binomial is multiply with binomial itself. So first you have to simplify. You cannot just write like this. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to just multiply. So we will be multiplying now. So you know how to multiply. Splitting first bracket we need to split. So L under bracket L minus 5 plus 2 under bracket L minus 5 equal to 0. Now due to continuous speaking, I am not able to speak so fluently. Now next. So L into L, L square minus 5L plus 2L minus 10 equal to 0. L square minus 5L plus 2L, 2 5s are 10, minus 10 equal to 0. So L square minus 5L plus 2L. Different sign. Different sign means difference. Difference is 5 and 2. Difference is 3L. 5L, 2L. Difference is 3L and sign of greater number. So minus 3L minus 10 equal to 0. Now we need to write powers. Powers are 2, powers are 1, power is 0. So what is the highest power? Highest power is 2. So I'll write it here as highest power of variable is 2. Therefore L plus 2 into L minus 5 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Okay, next number 3 upon 1. LCM will be 2x. Right? 2x will be the LCM. So what we have to do to make every denominator 2x, what we will be doing? Multiply x up down, right? multiply 2 2 up down, and multiply 2x up down. So x by 2 plus 3 upon x equal to 2 upon 1. Here into x, here into 2 into 2, and here into 2x into 2x. So x into x, x square, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4x. Upon 2x will get cancelled. Therefore x square minus 4x, right, plus 6 equal to 0. So power, what is the power of variable 2? What is power of variable 1? What is power of variable 0? So I'll write it again as highest power of variable is 2, right? Highest power is 2, as highest power of variable is 2. Therefore question, x upon 2 plus 3 upon x equal to 2 upon 1 is a quadratic equation. Okay, the next one, x square upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon x. This time the LCM is 4x. LCM is 4x. So x square upon x minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon x. 4x is the, no sorry, here 4 is there. Okay, so 4. So LCM is 4x, so we have to multiply x up down. 4x, so we have to multiply 2x up down, and here we have to multiply only 4 up down. Now x square into x, x cube, minus 2x into 1, 2x, equal to 4 ones are 4. Here denominator 4x, here also denominator 4x will get cancelled. Now x cube minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now power is 3, power is 1, and power is 0. What is the highest power? 3. So do you think it is a quadratic equation? No, it is not a quadratic equation. So you have to write here as the highest power of variable is 3. It is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Now practice set 2.1. Write any two quadratic equations. Any two. Here no other hint is given, like variable or not. So first I will write using variable x. So x square plus 5x plus 3. See, it's equation, so equal to something, I can write 0. And number 2, using variable y. 3y square minus 8y plus 4 equal to 0. So any type of quadratic equation you can use with any variable. Next, decide whether the following are quadratic equation or not. We have already done when the equation is said to be quadratic equation when highest power of variable is 2. Here power. First we have to convert the equation in which form? We have to convert this equation in which form? In index form, that is decreasing order of the variable. So here the power is 2. So power of this variable is 2. Power is 1. And power of variable is 0. Power. What is highest power? 2. So I'll write as highest power of equation is 2. That is degree of the equation is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. The next one, first we have to convert it in index form. So y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. Now power. What is power of variable 2? What is power of variable 1? And what is power of variable 0? As highest power of equation, or variable also you can write, is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. The next one, first we need to do LCM because denominator is y. Now LCM is y. So y square upon 1 plus 1 upon y equal to 2 upon 1. LCM is y, so we have to multiply y with denominator and numerator. LCM is already y, so no need to multiply anything. And here it is 1, so we have to multiply with y. So y square into y is y cube plus 1 equal to 2 into y is 2y. Therefore, now index form. So y cube minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. And we have to write as highest power of equation is 2. No, here it is 3, right? So which type of equation is this? Cubical equation. But we don't have to write cubical or not. We have to write whether it is a quadratic or not. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. The next one, upon 1 upon 1. LCM is x, just like the previous sum. So x upon 1 plus 1 upon x equal to minus 2 upon 1 into x into x. Now denominator is x. Denominator is already x, so no need to multiply anything. Into x into x. Therefore, x square plus 1 equal to minus 2x. X square minus 2x will come on this side, it becomes plus 2x. Plus 1 equal to 0. As highest power of equation. We have not written power, so we need to write first power. Power is 2, power is 1, power is 0. As highest power of equation is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Now, sum number 5. M plus 2 into m minus 5 equal to 0. Product of binomial with binomial. So what we have to do? We have to split one bracket. So m minus 5 plus 2 under bracket m minus 5 equal to 0. Now multiply m into m is m square minus 5 into m minus 5m plus 2 into m 2m, 5 2s are 10 equal to 0. Now simplify m square minus 5m plus 2m minus 5m plus 2m, different sign, so difference, 5 and 2 difference is 3m minus 3m, right? Sign of greater number, so minus 10 equal to 0. Now power is 2, power is 1 and power is 0. So as highest power of equation, even you can write degree of the equation because highest power is degree. So highest power of equation is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. The last one, it is not in the proper decreasing form or index form, so we have to write in index form. So m cube minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 equal to 0. M cube minus 3m cube minus 2m cube, right, plus 3m square minus 2 equal to 0. Now we will write power. What is power? Power of variable is 3, power is 2, power is 0 because there is no variable. As highest power of variable is 3, therefore it is a cubical equation. That is not a quadratic equation. This sum will be of 1 mark. Next, write the following equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Which form is this called? This is called standard form or index form. Then write the value of a, b, c for each of the equation, and hence we have to write value of a, b, c. We have already done this type of sum in activity. So first of all we have to write in index form. The question is 2y equal to 10 minus y square. So y square will come on this side, therefore y square plus 2y and then number minus 10 equal to 0. Comparing with what? Standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now I made a mistake. I purposely made a mistake. Why I made a mistake? So that you can understand. Here the variable is used y, so compulsory you have to use y here. So ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Are you getting it? Because generally the standard form or the index form is ax square plus bx plus c, but as per the question the variable changes, the standard form will change. Okay, therefore comparing with this equation, a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 10. Okay, so we got the value of a, b, c. That's all. The next one, x minus 1 the whole square equal to 2x plus 3. You know the a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b equal to 2x plus 3. Here x, 1, x and 1. X square plus 1 minus 2x equal to 2x plus 3. So x square minus 2x, this 2x will come on this side, again it will turn into minus 2x, plus 1 minus 3 equal to 0. So x square will remain x square minus 2x minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. Now it is proper index form or standard form, right? So comparing with a, now a variable are x, so ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 2. Third sum, x square plus 5x equal to minus under bracket 3 minus x. So x square plus 5x equal to, here we need to write therefore equal to, now outside the bracket we have negative sign, so sign will change, minus 3 plus x. Now these both term will come on the left side, therefore x square plus 5x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 5x minus 1x is plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Comparing with whom? I'll write here now. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Which form is this? Standard form or index form. Therefore, we get value of a equal to 1, value of b is equal to 4, and value of, I have not written b, wait, b equal to 4 and c equal to 3. That's all. The next one, 3m square equal to 2m square. They have same variable. So 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 equal to 0. Now 3m square minus 2m square is 1m square. M is missing, so plus 0m plus 9 equal to 0. Now comparing with standard form or index form, which is ax square, am square, m square, and bm plus c equal to 0 because variables are m. Now a equal to 1, b equal to 0, and c equal to 9. The next one, multiply. Now this time variable is p. Now multiply 3p plus 6p square equal to minus 5. In index form, 6p square plus 3p plus 5 equal to 0. Comparing with, tell me with what? A p square plus b p plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 6, b equal to plus 3, that is 3, and c equal to 5. Next one, number 6. X square minus 9 minus 13 equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus, there is no x, so 0x minus 9 minus 13 is minus 21 equal to 0. So comparing with, now this time we have variable x only, so comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to 0, and c equal to minus 21. The next, determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equations are root of the equation or not. Root of the equation means, does x equal to 1 satisfy this answer? And x equal to minus 1 satisfy this equation or condition or not? That we have to find. If it satisfy, then x equal to 1 is a root, or x equal to minus 1 is a root. If it doesn't satisfy, then it is not a root. Now what do you mean by satisfy or not satisfy? For that, we have to substitute x equal to 1 in LHS of the equation. What is RHS of the equation? 0. By substituting value of x, if you get LHS 0, which is equal to RHS, then x equal to 1 will be the root of the given equation. So let's start. Here, let x equal to 1 and let x equal to minus 1 in LHS. Where we have to substitute? In LHS. What is LHS? X square plus 4x minus 5. LHS is x square minus 4x minus 5. So here 1 square plus 4, 1 minus 5. So 1 square is 1, 4 ones are 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. And what was 0 RHS? Equal to RHS. Since LHS equal to RHS, therefore x equal to 1 is a root of given quadratic equation. Now think of x equal to minus 1. LHS minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. See, minus 1 square is 1, minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, see, it is also equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, now I think I have made a mistake. What mistake? In writing question, kindly don't make such mistakes. Okay, here I have written plus and by mistakenly I have written here minus, so it will become plus. So if it is plus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Now 1 minus 4 is minus 3, and minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Minus 8, which is not equal to RHS because RHS is 0. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Are you getting it? Sure? So don't make such mistakes. Now therefore x equal to minus 1 is not a root of given quadratic equation. The next one. Now you understood what to do. The equation is 2m square minus 5m equal to 0. So first let m equal to 2. So what is LHS? LHS is 2m square minus 5m. And here let m equal to 5 by 2. And LHS is same, 2m square minus 5m. Hope I have not made any mistake. Now 2. What is m? M value is 2 square. Minus 5. Again m is 2. Now 2 square 4 and 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10, which is minus 2. Do you think RHS is minus 2? So no, so it is not equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore m equal to 2 is not a root of given quadratic equation. The next one, 2 will remain 2. M square is 5 by 2 square minus 5 into 5 by 2. 2 will remain 2. 5 square is 25. 2 square is 4. And 5 5s are 25 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2, and it is 0, which is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, and therefore yes, m equal to 5 by 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. And that is the end of, not end of, that is end of fourth sum. Sum number 5. Find k if x equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0, and which is of how many marks? 2 marks. So find k. What is value of k? That we have to find. Chalo, let's start with the solution. Now here it is given that x equal to 3 is a root. We don't have to prove it is root or not. We don't have to find whether it is root or not. It is already given it is a root. So first we'll write given equation or given quadratic equation. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. As x equal to 3 is a root of equation, therefore k will remain k. 3 square minus 10, 3 plus 3 equal to 0. 3 square 9, 9 into k, 9k. 10 3s are 30 plus 3 equal to 0. Now 9k minus 30 plus 3 is minus 27 equal to 0. 9k equal to minus 27 will go on that side, turns into plus 27. So k equal to 27 by 9 and k equal to 3. K equal to 3. Okay, so answer, the value of k is 3. That's all. Next, the last sum of first exercise, that is of 2.1. First, next, sixth sum. One of the root of the equation is minus 7 upon 5. This is the equation. Complete the following to find the value of k, which is of 2 marks. Solution. Dash is a root of quadratic equation. What is the root? Minus 7 by 5 is the root. So put m equal to, variable is m, so 7 by 5 in the equation. Now 5 into m square, so minus 7 by 5 square. 2 into minus 7 by 5 plus k equal to 0. So now we will solve it with pencil. Minus 7 square is 49. So first I will write 5. Minus 7 square is 49. 49 upon 25. Right now 5 square 25. 5 ones are 5. 5s are 49 upon 5. So what we need to write? 49 by 5. The next one, 7 2s are 14. Minus 14 by 5 plus k. Now denominator is same, so we can add the numerator, but plus minus will become minus. So 49 minus 14. 49 minus 14. So I'll write it here. 49 minus 14 is 35. 35 upon 5. Right? 35 upon 5. 35 upon 5 is 7. So 7. And 7 plus k equal to 0. So k equal to 7 will go there. It turns into minus 7. And this is the end of the first exercise of chapter 2.